Buddy, okay? Get you ready. Hey, Pumpkin. Let me just make sure we're not actually entangled on anything. Looks like we got one leg free. Left front leg is back, so I think you can just pull her out. So what you're gonna try to do in one fluid motion is, and you wanna be at this angle slightly, don't twist your catch pole. See how you're twisting forward slightly? Keep it firm right there, even if she pulls. And you're gonna try and, at the angle she's already at, pull her up and over, okay? And if you can't lift her, then I will help you. And then I'm gonna lift. We're gonna come up just like this. I'm gonna get under her chest. Here we go. Here we go. Hi! Oh my goodness, what happened? What happened? Hi baby, hi! What happened? Hi sweet love, hi! Oh my goodness, it's okay, let me just get a leash. Let me get a leash, let me get a leash. Oh my goodness, how did that happen? How would you get so stuck? You silly girl! Okay, let's take a pull.
No, she's still trying to.
Oh, okay, here we go. Let's see if you walk okay. Here we go. Oh, good girl. Let's see if she walks. Wow, she does walk. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you.
That's the coolest thing.
She says, I might chase a cat. I might chase a cat. But you don't even play nothing. You don't even play or nothing.
No, she just wants to cuddle.
You just want to cuddle.
Yes.
You're supposed to play. You're
She's a
supposed
lap
to
dog.
play. She says, I'm a lap dog. And my blue hand's gonna disappear in the background. You say I'm a lap dog. You're so nice.
And look at the tail go.
Look at that.
Hi. Who is that? Who is that, Nova? Nova, come here. Wee. Whoa.